Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In today's episode, what you're going to do is I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and change a battery in the laptop. For this, I'm going to use my own laptop, this is the Acer Aspire, and I'll show you step by step how you can go ahead and change the battery in this. So let's start. Okay guys, this is my Acer laptop. It's kind of shiny, so you'll be able to see the distorted skin over here. So I'm going to go ahead and change this battery to the new one in this. For this, first what we have to do is turn the laptop upside down. So you can see this is the battery portion of the laptop. Here you see something, it'll be written on your laptop also. And in my case, I'm using Acer Aspire. In other cases, you'll be having your own button elsewhere. So all you have to do is pull it over here. You can see the red color or blue color, whatever is there in your laptop, showing the unlock key of your laptop. Then to pop this battery open, all you have to do is go ahead and click on this. Just press it like this. This is a release button of Acer Aspire. So each and every laptop has its own release button. You'll be able to check that. It's so simple. And the battery is popped out. The only reason I'm changing this is it's not giving any backup now. I have to work on DC only always. That's on power. So I'm changing the battery now. So now if you see this, the new battery. I have tested this. It's giving a nice backup. So if you see, there are many holes over here, loops that is, and here you have the holes for that. So all you have to do is to fix this back on, go ahead and press it in. First, this loop side has to go in, not the other side. So now it's gone in. Now all you have to do is gently, not very hard, just gently push this in and your battery is fixed. That's all you have to do, nothing more than that. And then you see the lock button, you can just close this. And now I just changed the battery for you over here. And now I'll just go ahead and check whether it's been fixed properly. For that, all you have to do is switch on the monitor. So if you see, it's loading also properly. If you need a clearer view, I can go ahead and show that to you. So this is being loaded now. Clear enough. So that's as simple as that. That's how you can go ahead and change battery in your laptop. Let it be any battery of yours. You can go ahead and easily change that. So now it's just loading and your welcome screen will come by. So this is the easiest way you can go ahead and change the battery in any of your laptops. And in case you have any doubts regarding this, please go ahead and leave a comment below so that I can go ahead and guide you through that. Thank you for watching the video. If you did like the video and you learned something from it, please like and subscribe, and do leave a comment if you need any other tutorials like this. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.